Welcome. Today we are making chicken heroes. I'm using chicken breasts just to be a little healthier, but you can use chicken thigh. The only thing you would change is you would air fry it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. I'm also pairing it with homemade tzatziki, which is super easy, and a homemade pita. It's not an authentic pita, it's a quick pita with just flour, yogurt, and a few other ingredients. It's super easy, and I say if you can make it fresh, why not? Though you're welcome to just use store-bought tzatziki and store-bought pita, but you really can taste the difference when you make it fresh. So let's go enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start by prepping our chicken. I'm using 4 chicken breasts. Honestly, these breasts were a little too thick, and looking back, I would have used chicken breasts that were not as thick. We're gonna cut slits into our chicken breasts just to make sure the marinade really gets in there while cooking. For our marinade, we're starting with 2/3 cups of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, and give it a good stir. I totally forgot the cilantro. Oopsie! Sprinkle some salt on your chicken and generously coat with your marinade. You're gonna wanna make sure it's fully covered and don't be cheap. We're gonna set our chicken aside for about 30 minutes. If you're in a rush, longer is better, overnight is best. For our pita, let's start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add in 1½ cups of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a tablespoon of baking powder, and give it a stir. If it's difficult for the dough to form, you can add lukewarm water 1 tablespoon at a time until the dough is formed. Work your dough into a ball and set aside for about 30 minutes, covered on your counter. For our tzatziki, let's start by grating 1 large cucumber. You can definitely buy store-bought tzatziki, but you'll definitely taste the difference if you make it at home, trust me. Squeeze out the juice and set the juice aside for an awesome gin and tonic. Add in 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of your chopped dill, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper, and the juice of half a lemon. Combine well and top off with a drizzle of olive oil. These ladies are marinated and ready to go. We're gonna cook it at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. While our chicken is cooking, let's work on our pita. Take your dough and cut it into 4 equal squares and roll them out into circular discs. Make sure your pan is very hot before you add in your dough. Then you're gonna lower the heat to let it brown on each side. I added just a drizzle of olive oil before flipping. Top your finished pita off with some olive oil and some fresh parsley, and we're ready to make our heroes.
That looks so juicy.
Let's hurry up and make this so I can eat it. Start with some tzatziki, and then I just bought some steak fries that were frozen. Top it with steak fries. Add in your chicken. I was a little cheap here with my chicken. I'm not really quite sure why, so add more chicken. Top it off with some tomatoes. I added in some olives, which is totally up to you, but I love Kalamata olives, so I added to everything, and it made it delicious. Top with your onions and a little bit of cilantro, and you're ready to go, baby. You'll want to wrap it in aluminum or something similar, or it will fall apart with your first bite, which would be really sad. So there we have it, my friends, and I cannot wait to eat this.